Now, there have been so many different routes that people here on the High Plains have used to raise money and awareness for breast cancer. KAMR Local 4's Jason Britch has more on how a local plumbing company is joining in on the fight against cancer.
Another day, another drain cleaning job for the guys at Dependable Plumbing.
Well, it is dirty for sure. I mean, there's no way around that. Just opening up a system and cleaning it out the best we can to do what we can to clear drains and make them flow.
It's a job they do multiple times a day throughout the year.
Ready? Full force. We got 2 drain trucks. They probably knock out about 5 to 10 a day.
But the ones they've done recently mean a bit more.
Well, the whole month of October, every drain call that has a clean out, we're donating 10% to the Harrington Foundation, and just to help find a cure to breast cancer. We decided to do this to give back to the community. We've been so blessed with everybody here in the Texas Panhandle. We just want to give back to everybody.
We're just reaming out the drain with hot water to help flush the system as we're cleaning it out.
Walker and the rest of the crew work diligently until the drain cleaning is done.
Sometimes you get them on the first time, sometimes you get more than one. There she is. And that is the sound of a good drain when you start seeing your vortex.
Sending that water and hopefully cancer down the drain.
There it is. There it is.
And now they move on to their next job, helping out even more. In Amarillo, Jason Britch, Fox 14 News.
As of today, Gonzalez tells us they've raised about $1,000 so far. That will all be donated to the Harrington Cancer Center. To learn more about Dependable Plumbing, their mission, and how you can help out, you can visit our website, myhighplains.com.